Okay, let's do a more realistic penguin. To start, I'm going to start with a small circle and a long kind of oval type shape where the body would be. We'll put a little triangle suggesting where the beak would be. Now I'm going to go in with my details, merge the two together, come down to the back, come around where the beak would be, and go up, kind of suggest a little bit of area of white there. Come down, suggest the wing, then bring that all the way down to the bottom. Now I'm going to bring this out for the foot. I'm going to finish this belly, round that off, and bring it all the way down. Bring out the beak and make it kind of narrow. And bring it back. I'm actually going to fill that in. Leave a little spot where the eye might be. Then I'm actually going to fill in all of the area that would be black. I'm just going to leave a little hint of white here where the wing would be that might be reflected off to suggest that wing, and leave the spot there. Now as you can see, I've gone in and colored that area and part of the foot also. Now I'm going to add a little bit more of a round back to it. So just curve out the back to round the penguin off a little bit more. Add a little more triangle to like what would be a tail. If I want to, I could add, if you wanted to see it or show it, the back foot right there. Now a lot of penguins have a touch of yellow in their fur, so I'm going to put a touch of yellow right here, like a yellowish orange color. We'll go with the yellow though. And bring that around and put a touch of that on the beak also. And a little down here by the feet. Now I'm going to add just some blue lines to the back to make it look a little icy. Maybe like an icy mountain. Maybe by its feet and bottom part. Just to make it look a little more interesting. Touch up the beak one little time, get rid of all that yellow. It's a little too much, I think. And our penguin is done.